Slovenia is a small country situated in the extreme south of Central Europe and bordering Italy, Austria, Hungary and Croatia. Having declared its independence in 1991, Slovenia is today home to approximately 2 million people. Around 142,000 of the country's inhabitants live in the coastal karst region. Koper is the capital of this region, and the city is also one of the most modern and largest cargo ports to be located at the junction of the maritime and land routes of the Mediterranean and Central Europe. In 2003, with the establishment of the University of Primorska, Koper also became a city with a university. Having thus been offered a new space for their education, research and social interaction, students brought to Koper a fresh and vibrant way of life. The University of Primorska is a public university with premises located in Koper, Izola and Portorož. With 7 faculties and 2 research institutes, it offers a wide range of academic disciplines: the humanities, social and behavioral sciences, the arts, life sciences, mathematics and statistics, computing, engineering, agriculture, environmental protection, personal services, teacher training and education sciences, as well as health sciences. All the university study programs are organized on the basis of the European Credit Transfer System, ECTS. Study takes place according to modern proactive methods, so as to stimulate students to critically evaluate their acquired knowledge and skills. The educational process is carried out in different forms, such as lectures, seminars, fieldwork, laboratory work, tutorials and independent study. The studies on offer are adjusted to the students' needs and wants, as well as to those of the economy and of the market. With the establishment of the Scholarship Fund, the University of Primorska has brought together investors who provide scholarships to ensure the recruitment of the best students and those whom they can employ after the completion of their studies. The university actively participates in international networks and associations, undertakes international research projects and cooperates with partner universities from all over the world. The University of Primorska is a modern and open institution. We are dynamic and curious, willing to learn and experiment. Come and join us.